Hello everyone, my name is Imran. Today we will learn how to add these effects which you can see in your screen. These are all film effects, and there are few other effects you can see over here. So you can see there is text animation, and there are some more animations. Okay, you can see these animations. We will learn how to add these animations in our videos in Filmora 13. Let me pause these videos. Let me delete everything from the timeline. This is the default setting of my timeline. First, I will drag some videos, sample videos to my timeline. Let me drag this video with the lady over here. You can see she's walking, right? The first thing, I will go to effects. There are different effects. So the one which we need is called old film effect. We have to, you can see there are some effects which are shown in my search results over here. When I will click drag and drop and I will play, you can see there are some lines, some dots. If you like these, you can keep these, otherwise you can do Control Z, so it will undo. The another one is this one. You can drag and drop, you can see. If you like this effect, you can keep it, otherwise you can do Control Z. And the another one is this one. You can try this, and let me check this one. Drag and drop onto my video and let me check. Yeah, you can see some effects over there. Let me try another one. Let me try this one. Drag and, so let me first do undo and then drag this, drag and drop. Let me check. This is another what should I say, effect which you can apply on your video. There are different effects. You can see on some effects there are diamonds. The Filmora will charge for these because these are premium effects, and the one without the diamond shape are free. I will do Control Z and drag and drop. Because this one is not downloaded, so it will download first. Then you can see when I drag and drop multiple effects, so both effects will impact my video. So you can see I have dropped this effect, all photo and film 3. You can see that effect appearing in my video. Or let me start from the beginning. These are the default effects. You can try from here. Hundreds of effects you can try from here. Dear, now we will learn how to add animation to our videos and effects to our videos. Let me first, I will drag and drop this video. I want to add this logo to my video. This is my own video, and this I have created this logo myself for my channel. Let me make its length equal to that of the video. Because this is large, I will make it small and beautiful. Sorry, let me just select this corner, drag and drop, and I'll put it in the corner. Now first I will select this logo. I will select this logo, not this video. I'll select this logo. You can see there are controls around this logo. I will bring it to the beginning, and I will add a keyframe. Then I will drag my cursor to 2 seconds length. Then I will add another keyframe. You can see shape over here. First, what I will decrease the size of this logo. Then I will add some rotation 180, right? So there are few other options too. For example, if I want to change the opacity, first I have to add, because I have to add this keyframe for this opacity too. I will select this keyframe. Then I will decrease opacity to 80. Now let me go to the beginning and let me check. Okay, you can see it's rotating from 0 to 2 seconds. Is rotating to 180 degrees. Now I will add the timeline indicator to 4 seconds. Then I will add another keyframe. Now I will increase the size of my logo, and I will make the degrees, the rotation to 0 degrees. So you can see I will make opacity to, I'll make opacity 100 again. Let me check this video again. Let me make it full screen. Let me play. Okay, you saw the opacity also changed, the size also changed, the logo rotated. Similarly we can do a lot of effects. So I will add this logo again to my timeline. So what I want is that I want to make it appear for some time, then disappear. I want to make it to appear to my video for some time, in the middle of my video, then disappear or fade out. So what I will do, I will select this logo, the top one, and I will add a keyframe. Then I'll drag this timeline indicator to the 2 seconds. Then what I will add another keyframe. The next thing which I will do is I want to zoom in. For that purpose I have to increase the size, but at the same time there is one thing I want to add. When the video starts, it should be on the left side of my. Now we will learn how to add text animations. Let me see. Let me drag this video, mesh to media. I will go to titles. These are some built-in titles. They have some predefined animation. Let me check this one. Okay, it seems cool. If you like this, that's okay. There are a lot of animations over there. Some custom text, some inbuilt texts, and slides and animations. Let me drag and drop any one of these to my timeline. Let me see. Let me write hello. Let me delete this extra one. Let me drop it over here. Let me take it to the bottom of my video. So what I want is that at the beginning I will take my playhead to the beginning. So let me play it. Okay, it's white and there are no any such animations. So first of all I want to, okay, I will take my playhead to the beginning and I will select this keyframe, right? Let me check. Okay, this is the, and I'll go to animations. I will make it none. Okay, and I'll go to titles, basics, then I'll select transform. At this stage what I want to increase its size and I want to change its position. You can see now after another few seconds I want to change again. This time I want to rotate it to 190 degrees, 190, and I want to decrease the scale. Okay, so what else we can do? Let me check. We can also change the color. Let me see what happened. So you can see what happened. We have added our custom animations to this video. If you don't like the color, so what we will do, I will add another keyframe. Now I will make it to 360 degrees and I'll change the scale because I'll make it small, and I'll take its position to the left of my video. So let me see what happened. Let me play. Okay, it's increasing size, is rotating, and at the end is moving to the left. After that it's disappearing. This way you can add custom effects to your text. These are some of the examples of animation and transformations. Okay, there's one thing I want to add. For example, at the end of the video, at the end of the video, so you want your video to be smooth. It should finish very smoothly. In that cases we have a transition named dissolve. So what I will do, I will go to transformation transitions and I'll select this fade, drag and drop to the end of my video. So what will happen, it will end very smoothly. Okay, you can see it's disappearing from our screen very smoothly. So if you want to make it visible, more visible, you can increase the size of the transition. Let me check again. Okay, so if you want to make it even more smoother, I'll increase the size of the transition. Let me check again. Okay, so that looks good. So these are few ways through which we can change the animation, add transitions and different effects to our videos.